Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by checking prerequisites quickly. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 11 or later and that iCloud Drive is enabled. Once done, open the Files app to see local and cloud folders. If Files is missing, go to App Store and install a trusted file manager app. You're preparing access points, local, iCloud, and third-party storage so you can manage files. Make sure you're signed into Apple ID, otherwise cloud locations won't appear. Now you connect services and organize. Open Files, tap Browse, then Edit to enable connected cloud providers. Add Google Drive or Dropbox if needed. Once enabled, tap a cloud location and create folders for structure. Drag and drop files, or use Edit Move to place items where they belong. Use tags to color code important documents and rely on search and recents when you need something fast. This step makes file locations predictable. Finish by mastering advanced actions. Long press any file to compress, duplicate, rename, or share using the Action menu, and open files in compatible apps when needed. If an app can't access your files, go to Settings and grant storage permissions. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled for continual sync. If syncing fails, restart the Files app, toggle iCloud Drive off and on, or reboot the iPhone. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID. That usually restores cloud visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.